How to make purple yam jam or halayang ube. You need 1 can of coconut cream, 14 ounce, sweetened condensed milk, 14 ounce, carnation evaporated milk, 12 ounce, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And of course, you also need the main ingredient, which is purple yam. I already boiled it and grated it so it's soft. And smooth. Okay? Okay, using a big wok for the coconut cream. Wait until it boils and then you can go ahead and put the condensed milk and the evaporated milk and then let it boil again. You just have to make sure that your heat is set very low to avoid burning of the coconut cream. So here it is. The hardest part in making halayang ube or purple yam jam is the constant stirring. You gotta be stirring this for at least 30 minutes. So as you can see, I'm trying to dissolve the lumps. So when it's dissolved, you just gotta keep on stirring it until you reach a thick consistency. Okay? So after probably 30 minutes, it usually takes 30 minutes for the liquid, which is basically the coconut cream or coconut milk and the evaporated and condensed milk to really thicken. So now you can see that most of them already melted. So I'm gonna put 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. There it is. And then you just stir it continuously. Okay, after roughly like 15 minutes, you see there's it's already thick. You can actually stop right here because once this cools down, it's gonna be really thick. But I prefer to be really thick, so I will keep on stirring it for another 15 minutes. And some people, they also put lemon rind towards the end, you know, or lemon zest towards the end to just get a little bit of kick. So it's a matter of preference if you want, but this is just the basic ube halaya or purple yam jam. Thank you for watching. Bye.